In round 3, start with one chain stitch. The chain stitch is trace a height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Work one single crochet in the first stitch, where we just worked the snip stitch of last round. Remember to mark the first stitch of every round. In the next stitch, work one increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 single crochet. Then work set of 1 increase, 1 single crochet, 1 increase twice. The first set. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Next, work 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One increase, 1 single crochet, and 1 increase are finished. One set is done. There are 5 V shapes on the side. The second set. Work 1 increase in the next stitch. We need to work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Next, work 1 single crochet. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Two sets are done. Then work 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 1 single crochet. Skip these 2 small V shapes formed by the snip stitch and the chain stitch. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the mark stitch to join this round. The slip stitch services as collection is not counted into a number of stitches. Round 3 is done. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work 5 single crochets, 1 increase, 6 single crochets, 1 increase, and 5 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The chain stitch is trace height and will not be counted into a number of stitches. Work 5 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. And continue to work 4 more single crochets. Five single crochets are done. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 6 single crochets. Six single crochets are done. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 5 single crochets. Five single crochets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the mark stitch to join this round. The slip stitch services as collection is not counted into a number of stitches. Round 4 is done. Let's distinguish the front and the back of the fabric. This side with the yarn tail is the back of the fabric. This neat and clear side facing towards us is the front. In round 5, start with 1 chain stitch. Work 5 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. And continue to work 4 more single crochets. Five single crochets are done. Then work 2 increases. We need to work 2 single crochets in each of the following 2 stitches. Two increases are done. Then work 6 single crochets. Six single crochets are done. Then work 2 increases. We need to work 2 single crochets in each of the following 2 stitches. Then work 5 single crochets. Five single crochets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the mark stitch to join this round. Round 5 is done. Pay attention to the yarn's tightness during crocheting. If the yarn is too taut, we can't insert the hook easily. If it's too loose, the fabric will be out of shape.